Welcome friends. Welcome to SPSPM's Renuka High School, Satara Parisar, Aurangabad. Myself Mahajan RB, Assistant Teacher of Subject English. Today we are going to learn topic 1.2, an encounter of a special kind, English workshop. In this section we are going to take a look at English workshop. 1.2, an encounter of a special kind, English workshop. Question first. State whether you agree or disagree with the following statements. Justify your choice with proper reasons. A. The compound where the writer was living was rich in nature's bounty. Answer. I agree with this statement as the compound where the writer was living was luxurious with green grass, colorful flowers, and a host of tall and majestic trees. B. Holidays provide us an opportunity to read various magazines and storybooks. Answer. I agree with this statement as during the holidays we do not have to worry about school, studies, or any homework. This gives us time to read various magazines and storybooks as per our interests. C. The narrator made a mistake by saving the baby langur. Answer. I do not agree with this statement. If the narrator did not save the baby langur, then the male adult langur would have surely killed the baby, as is the custom in some animals where the dominant male usually does not allow another male baby or adult to survive within its group. D. Animals cannot convey emotions. Answer. I do not agree with this statement. Even though animals may not be able to speak our language, they can convey their emotions through gestures, eye contact, and overall behavior around us. E. The narrator was 55 years old when this incident occurred. Answer. I do not agree with this statement. The incident happened 55 years ago when the narrator was 15 years old. Second, match the phrases given in group A with their meanings in group B. Direct answers given below. To be part and parcel of. To be an essential or integral part. B. To be engrossed in. To be completely occupied in. C. To take notice of. To observe and give attention. To figure out. To be able to solve a problem. E. To ponder over. To think about seriously. F. To be overwhelmed by. To be affected emotionally in a powerful way. G. In a flash, very quickly. H. To find a solace. To find comfort and peace. Write in your own words. A. Why did the narrator ignore the barking of dog? Answer. The narrator ignored the barking of dogs because he was engrossed in his book. Initially, he thought the dogs were after a hapless pig. B. Why did Mother Langur make no effort to grab her baby from the coop? Answer. The mother langur made no effort to grab her baby from the coop because she was convinced no harm was being done to her baby. She also realized the narrator was caring for her baby by providing first aid and food. Read the text carefully and arrange the occurrence of happening in the text in a sequential order. Here the sequential order is given. You can read this sequential order in the third column or a last column. Discuss the following and write about in your own words in 5-6 lines. A. What would you do if you find an injured bird while returning from your school? Answer. I would pick it up and would be placed it in a small cardboard box linked with paper or cloth. Then it would be placed in a dark, quiet area and I would call a bird center. In this way, I would be help the injured bird to save its life. B. What opinion do you form about the narrator from the story? Answer. I think the narrator of the story is helpful natured. He is always ready to help anyone who is in trouble. He is also a studious student because in the vacation period he is engrossed with magazine and storybooks. Complete the following and write a paragraph on each of the given activities. Mother child relationship, love and affection, playing with the baby, mother child bonding, child's social, emotional, and physical development, injured animal, how will you help? Watch how badly hurt it is, do not handle without caution, provide water or food, take it to a nearby vet, keep it in safety place. Work in pairs and make as many words as you can using letters in the word encounter. 3 letter words toe, not, nut, cut, net, run, ten, out, hour, one. 4 letter words car, teen, once, rent, tour, tor, cute, tree, cure, true. 5 6 letter words court, root, retune, center, resent, enter. Translate the following proverbs in English. जनसेवा हीच खरी ईश्वर सेवा. सर्व्हिस टू मॅन इज सर्व्हिस टू गॉड. पेरावे तसे उगवते. ॲज यू सो शॅल यू रीप. Thank you. Next lecture 5, topic name 1.3 Basket Full of Moonlight. Thank you.